Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. Have you ever wondered if there is an effortless way to make money? A method that is time-saving and doesn't require trying out multiple approaches just to earn a few dollars? Well, today I have a treat for you. I'll be sharing a new method that allows you to earn up to $550 instantly. The best part is that about 90% of the work is already done for you with just a few button clicks. The platforms I'll discuss today are available worldwide and completely free. If you're interested in learning how to do it, make sure to stay until the end of this video to catch all the important details. All you need is a device, whether it's a smartphone, laptop, or computer for this method to work. To start, visit the website called Lithium. You can directly access it at lithium.org. Before anything else, let me show you how to sign up on this website and explain how the method works. I'll provide a step-by-step guide so you can easily follow along and try it yourself. Lithium is a platform where freelancers can complete projects for free and get hired by individuals or companies needing their services. Scroll down to the bottom of the website to see that approximately 1 million users are registered on Lithium. Many people are using it to earn money with their skills or services. Rest assured, the method I'll show you is hassle-free and doesn't require any prior experience or skills. Let's proceed with signing up and getting your free bonus money. Click on the Join button to begin. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter your email address. Remember to activate your account by checking your email after completing the sign-up process. Once you're on the website's homepage, click on the button above that says Browse Projects. It will take you to a page displaying various projects along with their respective payment amounts. You can earn US dollars, cryptocurrency, or PayPal money depending on your preferred payment method. One great feature of this website is that you can receive payment within 24 hours, fast and reliable. Payment is released to your Lithium wallet immediately once your work is reviewed and approved. In today's video, we'll focus on the graphics and design category. This is where I want you to go. As you can see, there are many projects to choose from. For example, I'll select a project by an anonymous client that pays between $50 and $125. This particular project involves creating logo designs. Don't worry if it sounds daunting, I'll share a secret with you on how to complete this task without actually creating your own logo. We'll use a website called freelogodesign.org. It's our secret ingredient for finishing logo-related tasks without the need for design skills. Freelogodesign.org is a website where you'll find a collection of professionally made logos. All you need to do is type in the company name provided by the project poster. If the example project I'm showing you doesn't have a company name, I'll use Top Foreign as an example. Click on Get Started once you've entered the name. The website will present you with a range of ready-made logos that include the company name you provided. Now, let's go back to the project instructions for freelancers. They're looking for a colorful, playful, and refreshed logo design. They also want to see a portfolio of different logos. Since they prefer simple logos with only 3 primary colors and no complex shading, we'll focus on selecting such logos. Return to the Freelogodesign.org tab and choose Simple Logos with 3 primary colors. Save these logos to your computer as you come across them. If you find a logo that appeals to you but doesn't meet the project requirements, you can click on it and easily change the font, color, or shapes. Save as many logos as possible to compile a portfolio to show the project owner. This method is simple, cost-free, and can earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars when repeated. Before we continue, I want to let you know that we regularly post videos on this channel to help you create a stream of online income in your PayPal account. I put a lot of effort into ensuring these methods work, so I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment below. Now, let's get back to the video. I'll share a bonus tip to boost your income. In addition to Lithium, you can also visit a website called Fiverr. It functions similarly to Lithium as another platform for freelancers. Simply search for the keyword logo design on Fiverr and you'll find different projects you can complete. Many freelancers from various countries are offering logo design services on Fiverr and making good money. Sign up for a free account, use the logos from the secret website I shared, and generate significant income through this method. You can even use both Lithium and Fiverr simultaneously to increase your earnings. Creating logos on free logo design. Org is easy and time efficient, and with the help of a pre-made logo website, you can generate substantial income. Don't wait any longer, try it out for yourself. That's all for now. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Peace.